All right, I'm going to show you how to schedule Do Not Disturb mode on Android. First, we'll go to Settings and scroll down to Notifications. This is on a Samsung phone, by the way. I'll show how to do this on a different phone in just a second. Once you're in the Notifications menu, go to Do Not Disturb, and here you have a toggle for Schedule. I'll enable the schedule, and we can even name this particular schedule. You can have multiple schedules set up, and then toggle them on and off in your settings. I'll just call this one Do Not Disturb. You can choose the days of the week you want it to turn on, then set the start and end time. Pretty self-explanatory. Now my phone will turn Do Not Disturb on every day at 9 p.m. and automatically turn it off at 7 a.m. the next day. Below that, you have some options. For example, calls and messages, where you can add specific people from your contacts whose calls will still ring even when Do Not Disturb is on. There's also a toggle for repeat callers, so if the same phone number calls more than once within 15 minutes, that call is allowed through, since that usually signals something important. That's a genuinely useful toggle to enable. Now, if you're using something like Motorola, Google Pixel, or anything with stock Android, this works a bit differently. I believe some Pixel phones will have this under Settings, Sound, and Vibration, and from there you'd find Do Not Disturb and set the schedule for it. Mine doesn't have it there, so if your Pixel is like mine, you'll want to check Settings, Modes, and Do Not Disturb. Sometimes this is where you'll have the scheduling option, but once again, mine doesn't show it here. If yours is being difficult like mine, really just different software versions, we can work around it by creating our own mode. I'll tap the plus icon to create my own mode, and I'll name this one Do Not Disturb, and click Done. Here, I can make sure the Allow All Notifications toggle is off, so it won't allow notifications except from the people I choose, if I choose any. That part is up to you. Then I can set a schedule for it, choose which days it kicks in, and pick a time frame. I'm going to set mine for something like between 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. So now this is my custom mode, and it'll turn on automatically during that time frame, and it'll act just like Do Not Disturb. And that's how you schedule Do Not Disturb on Samsung, Pixel, Motorola, and others. Click that like button if this video helped, subscribe for more, share with a friend, and I'll see you all in another video. Thanks all!